Introducing the Origami 3D Raindrop, and this is what it looks like. And if you spin it just right, it'll spin a little bit like a top. See, isn't that cool? This is 3D, and here's a 2D one that you can learn on my channel. Check it out. And this is how it spins. Yep, and I made a tutorial for this model right here. Alright, and I want to show you another model that I recently designed too. This is an Origami number 8. And this is from one square sheet of paper, no cutting, taping, or gluing. And it spins really nicely, just like that. That's an awesome spinner. And I think I'll make this be my next video, so you can click right here for this model when it's available. Yeah, this is the same model that I showed when I taught this origami ball right here. Okay, without further ado, let's make this Origami 3D Raindrop. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So you can use a sheet of printer paper cut square. So, let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. We're going to make a square base. Okay, unfold, and fold in half this way. This is not a difficult model, so if you're new to folding, then this is the perfect model for you. Okay, and take this point and fold it to the top. And turn over, and repeat. Okay, open the pocket, bring the sides together like this, and there's your square base. Okay, now orient it so that the open side is facing you, and take this corner and fold it to here, but we really just need to make a crease mark. Just in the center there. Unfold. So here's the open side on the left. That doesn't really matter. And take this point and fold it to the middle. To the crease mark. And repeat. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause and catch up. Or use slow mode. Okay, turn over and let's repeat all that on the side. So, take this raw corner and fold it to here. It probably won't hurt if you make a crease, but I'm just going to make a crease mark. That way there's no extra creases. And fold to the intersection of the crease mark and the middle crease. Okay, just like this. Alright, so here's the open side on the right side. Make sure the open side's on the right side. Okay. And now we're going to take this edge and fold it to this crease. And try and hold the layers down so they don't slide. And repeat on this side. Remember, here's the open side. Take this edge and fold it to here. Sorry about that, I was taking a sip of my coffee. Okay, and turn over and let's repeat all that on this side. So take these two edges and fold them to the middle. Remember, here's the open side. And also you can match it with the edges below. Okay, hold the layers down so they don't slide. Okay, so this is going to be the top of the raindrop. And now, before we inflate it, we're going to kind of narrow it out a little bit because this is too fat. So we're going to take this edge, so by holding the layers down, we're going to fold this up so that this corner touches this edge. Okay? And we want this edge to be parallel with the middle crease. Like this. Alright, and crease that sharply. And repeat on this side. So hold the layers down so they don't slide and fold it so that this corner aligns with this crease and this edge is parallel with the middle. Yeah, I'm moving in a few months, by the way. That's why my room is so empty. And repeat all that on this side. Yeah. I'm moving to Kansas, by the way. and I'm super excited too because I lived there when I was little and I loved it there too. Yep, and we're going there again. I think Kansas is probably one of my favorite states in the country. Okay, like this. All right, so now we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of round this out a little bit too. So this is really to taste, but I'm gonna fold it. I'm gonna fold this little flap up. It's pretty small. I'm gonna fold it up so that this point right here kind of aligns with this point. It's to taste. You can just eyeball it and crease sharply. And repeat. And turn over and repeat on this side. You can just align it with the edge below. Or just do it to taste. Doesn't matter. It's a raindrop. Alright, and now here's the fun part. We're ready to inflate it. So we're gonna inflate through the top here. So just separate it like this. And you're just gonna blow into it like a water bomb. Alright, here we go. Yep, and it should inflate pretty easily, just like that. And there it is, the raindrop. And here I also managed to fold one from a transparent sheet of kami. See, it was harder to fold, but it looks really cool though. Yeah, and that's perfect too because water is transparent, obviously. Okay, and actually, you can actually treat this like a water bomb. You can fill it up with water. You can kind of open the top and just fill it up with water, and then you can drop it like a raindrop or a water bomb, and it'll explode. Yeah, you should try that. Okay, now if you want it to spin on the table, then I recommend you don't want to make this too pointy. Kind of make it a little bit flat, because I think that'll make it a little bit easier to spin. So yeah, just kind of make it like that to taste, and find a desk or table that's actually smooth, and it should spin if you do it right. Oh, there you go. You see, just like that. It spins a little bit like that. So yeah, it's like a DIY spin top. Yeah. It's a nice addicting fidget toy or whatever. Oh, that was a good one. I was lucky that time. Yeah. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed folding this and were able to make it spin, and make sure you subscribe and have a good morning or day or night. Alright, see you guys later.